We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of March 14th, 2026. Today marks the 1 year anniversary of the wildfire outbreak that occurred in Oklahoma and caused around 100 houses to burn down in Stillwater. And as we head into tomorrow, the weather conditions are eerily similar, and just want to give you all a heads up on what we've got occurring for tomorrow's fire weather potential. Nice warm, relatively breezy day today, and as we head on into tomorrow, a very strong cold front is going to be working into the area as we head throughout the day. And as we head on into early tomorrow morning, temperatures are going to be in the right around midnight is going to be our high probably because this cold front is going to really knock the temperatures down. Right around 70, upper 60s around midnight. By noon, we will fall back to right around 60 degrees and could fall back to the upper 40s by sunset. Here's what we got going on tomorrow. Wind gusts with our sustained winds at 25 to 40 miles an hour. Wind gusts certainly up to 60 or a little bit higher are certainly possible. We got a high wind warning beginning at 7 a.m. Lasts us until 7 tomorrow night. You can see here throughout the western part of the state could very well get over 60 here in Oklahoma City area, right around upper 50s to around 60 mile-an-hour wind gusts, certainly possible. And that's the National Weather Service has also issued a red flag warning for tomorrow, beginning at noon and lasts until around 7 tomorrow, as those winds really pick up behind the front during the afternoon. Winds will be out of the northwest. You can see here down into Texas, certainly even higher winds possible, or higher fire danger possible, and got an elevated risk, about a 1 out of 3 on the scale here for central Oklahoma and the western part of the state as well. Now, the other thing with this system is tomorrow night is going to be very cold, hard freeze, temperatures in the mid 20s, and wind chills possibly even down to around 15. The winds will start to die down as we head uh, past sunset tomorrow night, but certainly during the afternoon tomorrow, please be careful driving on the interstates um, with these very strong wind gusts coming out of the northwest. So heading up 35, certainly that will blow towards you south of Oklahoma City, kind of will bump you parallel on 40 and 35 north and east and west of Oklahoma City. So certainly be careful driving around tomorrow. And as we head on, this storm system is going to move east and produce a potential severe weather outbreak in the Mississippi Valley tomorrow, and then even on into Virginia and the East Coast as we head on into Monday. So stay tuned if you're joining us from Virginia. We'll have an update on Monday's severe weather potential tomorrow. But for Oklahoma, another thing I want to point out is, Monday temperatures will be upper 40s, then we'll be back into the mid 60s by Tuesday. Now we're going to have a huge ridge develop out here in the western part of the U.S., and that's going to allow for some potential record-breaking temperatures in Oklahoma as we head on into Thursday, Friday, and even on into the weekend. Temperatures could well reach up to 90 degrees. We'll keep you posted on that potential historic heat wave for this time of year. And yeah, and we got an ongoing drought in central Oklahoma and really the whole state, stage 2 and 3 out of 4 in central Oklahoma. And so any warm, breezy day throughout the next week could definitely cause some fire weather concerns. But certainly be careful out there tomorrow. Keep you posted on that. Until then, thanks and have a great and safe evening.